Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your password on Roblox. Let's get started. Open up your browser in your PC and then in the search bar search for roblox.com. So once you search for it, log into your account. Once logged in, you need to go and simply tap on the settings like icon right over here. Tap on settings and now select account info. Inside your scroll below, then you need to go and simply tap on this edit icon beside password and then simply change your password. Enter the correct password, new password, and confirm your new password. After that, tap on update, and just like that, your Roblox password will get changed. But if in case you have forgotten your password of Roblox, on the login page when you type in your username, simply tap on forgot password or username at the bottom. And just like that inside here, you need to go and simply enter your email, phone number, or username, then tap on next. Just like that, Roblox will send you a reset code or link. Check your email or phone, enter the code, and just like that, create a new password. And you are done. You can now sign in again with your new password. That is how you can change or reset your Roblox password. Quick and easy. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.